Hi guys, so may libre dito guys, so you can travel Sri Lanka. And then which country?
All Asian countries.
All Asian countries, India, Thailand.
Sri Lanka, Indonesia.
Which country can travel?
You can travel all countries, 175 countries, but we have lucky draw for you. 3-night, 4-day family hotel stay.
Okay.
Hello, we have free lucky draw for you. 3-night, 4-day family hotel stay. You can use it in Thailand, Dubai, Sri Lanka, Indonesia, and India within 1 year. So please try your luck once.
Okay, so I get mine. So what if I can pick to Sri Lanka? I really want to go Sri Lanka. Oh my
I think you
gosh.
should go to Bali.
Oh, Bali. So which
Weather
is that?
suits
Which
you.
country is that? Yeah, I really wish I want to go to Bali. Please. Abracadabra. Dito tayo mananalo ako. Para meron naman akong pang Christmas. My God. Wala man lang mga libre sa akin. Orasyon de la payat, sumpay de la ugat, abracadabra. So I'd fill up 3 for my husband, for my son, and for me. So if I got the lucky draw, oh my God, so welcome to Bali. So punta kayo dito guys, okay? Libre naman to, it's for free. So what if you will be chosen, okay? Merry Christmas to me, good luck na lang to me, okay? Good luck to me.
Rohit Prasad Bhatt, and I'm from Banasal.
Okay. Ang ganda naman ito guys, Merry Christmas! May snowman po dyan sa likod, ang ganda. Yan po si snowman. So dito lang to sa ano. Dito pa ako nakatira, di ba? For 9 years ang tagal. Sige. Ilalagay sila ng lights. Ang ganda talaga. Dito. Free lucky draw daw. Baka manalo pa ako, di ba? Sana manalo ako ng washing machine. Wait lang. Ang ganda ng Christmas tree dito. Where's the sun? Ayan, oh. Ganda ng Christmas tree, di ba? This is my favorite. Para siyang Robinson sa atin. Ang laki. City Center. Ito yung City Center na one of the most cleanest mall dito. Ito siya. Yung favorite ko na strawberry. Oh my God. Free ito. Libre. So I can travel to Sri Lanka, India.